our right drain board 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 63 inches. A depth of 21 inches. Height of 43 inches. Height without the splash, we have 36 inches tall. Measurements for the right drain board will include 13 inches in length by 16.5 inches in depth. 3 compartments, with each compartment measuring 15 inches in length, also 15 inches in depth by 12 inches in height. Measurements apply for the first, middle, and last bay. Included for each compartment will be the strainer along with the stop and the faucet. Measurements for the left and right mount will include 9 inches and the swivel head faucet spout measuring 10 inches. And located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.